Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest money management tips for 2025. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to Koho. If you're in Canada or anywhere Koho operates, this could save you time and hassle, especially with the new features rolling out in 2025. Whether you're funding your Koho prepaid card for everyday spending or transferring funds for investments, let's get straight into it. First things first, make sure you have both accounts ready. Log into your PayPal account on your computer or mobile app. You'll need to verify your Koho account details, so head over to the Wallet or Linked Accounts section in PayPal. If Koho isn't listed, don't worry, it's easy to add. Simply search for Koho in the bank or payment options and follow the prompts to link it. This might involve entering your Koho card number, expiration date, and a verification code sent to your phone. Once linked, navigate to your PayPal balance and select the Transfer or Withdraw option. Choose Koho as the destination account. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, PayPal might have daily limits, so check that first to avoid any surprises. In 2025, with the updated integrations, this process is faster than ever, often taking just a few minutes. After confirming the details, hit Submit and wait for the confirmation email or in-app notification. It usually processes within 1 to 3 business days, but keep an eye on any fees involved. PayPal might charge a small transfer fee, and Koho could have its own policies. Pro tip: transfer during off-peak hours for quicker processing. And just like that, your money is on its way. This method is secure and straightforward, helping you manage your finances like a pro. If you're new to Koho, it's a fantastic app for budgeting and earning rewards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more 2025 finance hacks. See you in the next video.